Hi guys, welcome to Shaka channel guys. So guys, one question discuss about the domain registration. So domain registration, lot of people one question is there. So suppose I'm purchasing one domain, what is the cost? How many years is best for purchasing domain, etc. etc. A lot of questions are there every mind. So domain purchase will be different here. Domain purchase completely depend on 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. We can only purchase it 5 times lifetime, nothing but up to 10 years. 1, 2, 3, or 5, 10 years. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not possible. So in this condition, if your domain will be purchased, how many years is best to purchase the domain? That is called, lot of websites are there. GoDaddy, BigRock, lot of website, which will be useful. We can do the domain will be purchased. So most of the condition I can use GoDaddy. So that is very helpful for the users to purchasing the domain. So here login is done. So first of all, domain purchasing time, we can selecting for option. So here I'm selecting for MydaSwimmingpool.com. So here I'm purchasing one of the websites called MydaSwimmingpool.com. So how many years best will be purchased domain? So how many years is better? So what is the cost? So we can check right now. So first of all, spelling will be checked completely. Click for add to cart. So here will be selecting option will be there. So you can go for in this continue to cart. So when you're purchasing time, they're asking three questions. If your domain will be privacy protection required, first question. Start with the free website, only for trial with the 14 working days. Any need by official email. Everything will be clicked for no, no, no thanks. Continue to cart. In this one, how many domains you can purchase? One or two, three, four, five, anything. So first of all, any domain will be purchased time that will be held by the particular things. How much cost will be given? Suppose if you go for 1 year, the price will be 1248 will be 2 years. I will go for 1 year, 849. If I go to the GST option, so here will be add the payment method, net bank, save method. Here 1 year price. I'm not interested in the auto renewal. So I'll go with the 2 years. It will be how much we can check. 1 year will be 1017. It's almost a 1018. So we can open for calculator. So next year same price will be there. Compulsory same price will be there for 2000. Here will be save by almost 530 rupees. So simple 5 rupees you can save. I go with the 3 years. So 1018 into 3000. It will be 2757. So here will be only saved by the only for 300 rupees. Now we can purchase for 2 years. Now we'll go option name is called purchase. 15 rupees will be purchase. So any particular option will be given by the in a particular things that posting the option on based on the particular price. So any particular domain, simple domain price, go with the 2 years is the best price. That is the first year only will be charging only 199. Second will be same. So total will be 1500, 9 rupees along with GST. Finally, continue to purchase. Give the billing information, go to steps and purchase your data. So due to the privacy option, I'm not providing the billing information. We'll go with the options are here. So right now is going one by one steps. So now I'm going to the payment option. So it will be hide by the due to the user interface purpose. So finally domain is purchased successfully. It will done by the particular things. So this is the way we have to purchasing domain. So any simple domain will be purchased domain. The composer should maintain by the 2 years and the particular link option. So that is the major problem will be facing for domain users. How many years purchase will be domain? The simple domain price will be purchased up to 2 years is the best price they're providing for each and every domain. Some domains .in will go with the first year also will be providing for best price. Domain will be purchased yearly, not for monthly. So these are the condition will be follow on the particular users. So there will be update on the particular option to given by the domain authority. So any simple domain give the best price is for 2 years. They are providing for best discount when you're purchasing first time. The domain will be first time. Next renewal time, same price will be continue. They not provide any discounts. So these are the policy will be follow and update the content. Any further issues, you can ask me Digital Hacker channel. I definitely will be support. Don't forget, domain name is include your business. This compulsory important. That is increase your domain authority. There's a keep it in mind to work on the selecting domain option. Is it clear? So this is the method will be follow on the particular domain purchase. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.